ngiyacela yekelani ukuhleba. Ukuhleba kufana nothi likaMetshiso ongalikhanyisa la manje. Luvuthisa sonke istadium. Okugcina sengihlala phansi ngiyacela ama-MK amahle asingabangi ikhundla njengoba size kwi-MK size kwi-MK ngoba siyithanda ngoba siyazi ukuthi uNcamalala ngesikhathi ephethe kwakuthi makunenkinga imali yogogo kwa-CPS noma kwa-SASSA ingekho uNcamalala wayevele eqonda i-department athi ngifuna imali afake imali behola ogogo bengathi ogogo behambile beyohola babuye kuthiwa ama-system off phansi ngekhala elikhulu phansi.
Siyabonga baba. Amandla. Amandla. Phakama Mbokodo phakama. Phakama Mbokodo phakama. Long live the spirit of Winnie Madikizela Mandela, long live. Long live the spirit of Winnie Madikizela Mandela, long live. Long live the spirit of Samora Machel, long live. Long live the spirit of Amrika Cabral, long live. Long live. Bakaitu, we are now going to go to our friends in Botswana. We're tremendously honored that they've graced us with their presence and they've sent us their beautiful delegation. So, Kala Lapa Botswana People's Party's Youth League, the person who's going to speak on their behalf, Yintate Tero Maidile, Kimukwadi Kakarezi, in Tswana, that is the Secretary General. Re, platform Gahao.
Gwaza mkonto gwaza. Gwaza mkonto gwaza. Viva youth power, viva. Dumela mbaretso. Ke bitsa go Tetero from Botswana People's Party. The Botswana People's Party Youth League extends grateful greetings and solidarity to the MK Youth League as you gather for this national detachment. This gathering is not only symbolic, but historic, taking place on June 16, a day that defines youth resistance, courage, and uncompromising pursuit of freedom. We salute the MK Youth League for its principle, discipline, and focus. You embody a true essence of revolutionary leadership. As a Pan-Africanism and democratic socialist, we believe revolutionary is not about violence and insults. It is about political clarity, intellectual depth, discipline, and tireless commitment to the people. The MK Youth League has shown that revolution must be guided by ideas, action, and structures. The ideological path taken by the MK Youth Party is the political character that we yearn to see in South Africa and across the SADC region. A bold African movement that refuses to be co-opted by imperialist interests and neoliberal agendas. You are reigning Pan-Africanism flame of dignity and people-centered government. We deeply thank you for the invitation and the opportunity to strengthen regional solidarity. We also honor President Jacob Zuma, Ubaba, for his visionary and long-life commitment to the youth struggle. And one way to the MK Youth League, this is not a revolution, but a generational mission. Aluta, continue. Gwaza mkonto gwaza.
Raraboga rre for mafoko a gago a itumedisa and ra wa leboga. Re santse re le Botswana ne ke kopa the Botswana Republican Party chairperson modulasetulo Ntate John Maladi.
Viva MK Youth, viva! Viva MK Youth League, viva! Gwaza! Gwaza! The time has come
Before I greet, I want to talk to you because you, the youth of South Africa, ke tsatsi la lona. The time has come to come and declare war. Today, just like the youth of 1976, we are declaring war. We are going out and we are going to fight. Ke a le dumedisa lotlhe, ebile ke itumeletse go le bona mo tsatsing la gompieko. From all parts of South Africa, as we live here, we are going to hit hard. We are going to hit hard. Ra go betsa go utlwala. 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 Viva! Let us go and recruit more. Let us go and be visible. The time has started. Ndike dumedisa bagolo ba me, ke a le dumedisa. Mo president wa rona ra go leboga. Ke tisa madume go tswa go tautona botswa Republican Party, ra be ke butali. A re ke le dumedise. Re itumela go be le re laleditse. Yaanong the time has come. There is a song that your president likes so much. And this song, I've been wondering what it says. One day I was singing it in my house, and my grandfather heard it. He used to work here in the early years. Then he was asking me, he called me from my room because I was in my room. Are you going for a war? I was shocked. Am I going for a war? That is a song of war. It is a song that is being sung by a man. It is a song that is being sung by a boy who is going for a war. So the time has come for you to pick up your gun and go in the street of South Africa and conquer. Mshiniwa, 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 mshiniwa. Mshiniwa mewe baba ole mshiniwa aule mshiniwa 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 aule mshiniwa aule to. Thank you.
Nyara ra itumela gore fitile. Ra itumela ra gore fitile wa re fa molaetsa o monate wa re tlotlogeletsa ga re le batšha ba Mokontobesizwe Party le South Africa. We are now going to move to the Botswana Patriotic Front. It's Student Front, which is like our student movement. Ntate Tshiamo Badubi is the Secretary General, or as we say in Tswana, Mokwadi Kakaretso.